Today, I'm going to show how to use Viggle AI. So first, open Viggle AI and log in with your account. Here I'm already logged in. Click on the mix on the left sidebar. It will be directed to this page where we want to add your motion video on your character to make the full, final video with your character moving according to your motion video. So let's add our character here. Click on Device, for example, the basketball player. Let's hear for the motion video. Click on Library. Let's choose one of the library hot picks. For example, this one. And let's click on Mix. And here the magic will happen. So, you should see your character, which is LeBron James here in basketball, moving with according to your motion animation we just added. So, let's wait for the video to be created. And here, guys, as you see, our video is successfully created. So, as you can see, LeBron James is moving as the player motion animation we just added. And that's it, guys. You successfully learned in few simple steps how to use visual and create visuals to turn videos to viral moments. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like, subscribe, and share the video.